Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Cup of Tea stamp set from the Stampin' Up annual catalogue. This is the stamp set, and it also has coordinating dies. You'll find it all here on page 13 of the Stampin' Up annual catalogue. I'm not going to use any of the dies today, just using the actual stamp set. And I'm pairing it with one of our new in colours, which is Sweet Sorbet. And this card is actually made with Pool Party, but I'm going to change it up and make this one with Soft Succulent, which is one of our last year's in colours. They're kind of Christmassy, but not really. So let's go ahead and stamp. Oh, sorry, the background here, jumping ahead of myself as usual, the background is done with a this Stampin' Cut and Emboss embossing folder. It's the Fern 3D embossing folder, which is also in the annual catalogue. I've already gone ahead and run that through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine on thick basic white. Now I'm going to stamp this image here, these two images with the stamps from the Cup of Tea stamp set. Here they are here. So, oops, shouldn't have that on there. Take that apart. So like I said, I'm going to change up this colour this time and use the Soft Succulent just for a bit of difference. I just wondered if that Pool Party was a little bit maybe too soft. I do like this Soft Succulent colour, and I'm just going to use the Thank You with the Sweet Sorbet now. And let's die cut that out with one of the circle dies. Just going to run that through my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I've already gone ahead and cut out one of the scallop circle dies. I actually really think I prefer it with the Soft Succulent. You could get away. I mean, that could be a nice Christmas one too, couldn't it? Merry Christmas across the top there, I guess. Tombow on there. Really simple card to put together, because I'm not doing any other die cutting apart from these two. And then this is the Soft Succulent ribbon that carried over from last year actually. Quite unusual for our in colour ribbons to carry over, but this one did, and these ones did, and I was so happy because I really love this ribbon because it's got the sheer in the middle and then the thicker bits at the side, whereas the Pool Party one doesn't. It doesn't show up quite as much, although it's really pretty, but yeah, it just doesn't show up as much. However, it's just the way it is. Grab my scissors. Come on, Bo, you can do it. This ribbon also ties beautifully. I think it probably ties the best of all of our ribbons. And yeah, I think it goes, oh, that's not real good. Let's try one more time. Here we go. I apologise if tying these bows is painful for you to watch. You can just fast forward that bit if you want to. Okay. Cut of dimensionals on the back of this one. What do you think? Do you prefer it with the soft succulent? I think I do, actually. Was it too Christmassy? I know it's only July. It's nearly August. Well, by the time I put this video up, it will be August actually. Well, either or, I think. Either or. Just depends on your preference. Now these are these adhesive backed seasonal sequins, and I use the darker ones, and I'm going to do the same for this card because they just add that little pop of colour on here that I think it needs. And I like sequins, and I particularly like the fact that these are adhesive backed. What could be better? Isn't that embossing folder beautiful? This is just sweet sorbet cardstock cut in half. And no. Oops. Nearly done. I've got dimensional backings going all over the show today. That's better. And there you have it. Completed. Cup of tea stamp set. Such a cute stamp set. Has beautiful coordinating designer series paper as well. And that one made with Pool Party and that one made with soft succulent. I like them both. I guess it's a personal choice. I've put a link to all the products I've used in the description bar below. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.